Welcome back. In today's tutorial, we are going to create this. Without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.